Start with project management. A very important area from examination point of view. Three areas are favorite of our examiner: project management, IT, and finance. And there will be some part of your case study relating to finance, like relating to calculation of ratio and analysis. There will be one part relating to IT related topics and one part relating to project management. You see, project management, IT interrelate with each other. So in previous lecture, we started project management, how to manage the project, We can manage the project through 5 stages: initiation, planning, execution, control, completion. We have discussed all 5 stages: initiation, business case, planning, project plan, PID. We have discussed all the 5 stages and we have covered one question: clothing company. Let's discuss what else left in this chapter and then we will move forward. Project success and failure depends upon certain factors. Project success or failure depends upon certain factors. Project will be successful if it is completed within time, within cost budget, according to the specification level, mean expectation of the project sponsor, while utilizing the assigned resources effectively and efficiently, mean use resources were efficiently and effective, and according to expectation of the customer, if you are completing any project for the customer, and without disturbing the main workflow of the organization, if you have completed the project through matrix structure, mean through existing team members rather than employing separate team members to work on the project. Reason why projects succeed: if project sponsor is of top management, this will help in success of the project. Why? Because you don't need to take approval from anybody else. So you can get approval quickly, you can make corrective action quickly. So this will help in project success. If you have prepared good PID, business case, mean you have properly prepared the project plan, ultimately, if you work accordingly, there are high chances project will be successful. If you have adopted 5 stages of strong project management properly, mean you are control, review, monitoring as well. So it will help in success of the project. If you have a right mix of team players, mean all the skills are available, all the competencies for the project are available, this will help in success. If there is good decision making, good communication, this will help in project success. And team members working towards a common goal, mean there is no conflict between team members. They are not having their personal objective. They are focusing on project only. So this will help in project success. Reason why project fails, that should be avoided. If a project objective is different than organization objective, that will be a failed project. Even if that is completed within time, within cost, that will be a failed project. If scope of the project is not properly defined, mean what you are going to achieve, mean you are not clear what's the main objective. Unrealistic expectation: if project is based on unrealistic expectation, obviously that will not be achieved, so project will be failed. And lack of executive sponsorship: if project sponsor is not of top management, there is a further above level, you need to take approval from them in case of any corrective actions. So that approval process will result into delays in projects. So this might be a reason for project failure. Lack of true project management: if you haven't followed the 5 stages of project management. Inability to move beyond individual conflicts: if team members are having conflict with each other, they are not working combinedly towards project success. And if there is any internal politics, mean there is poor relationship between team members. So this could be the reason for project failure. That should be avoided. I mean, these things should be avoided and these things should be adopted for project success. The barrier to project management success are what could be the barrier behind project success? Complex project. The more complex project, the more difficult to deal with will be a hurdle behind project success. Customer special requirement and scope changes mean you should started work on the project. Suppose project is for 3 years. After working 1 year on the project, obviously you have done something. Now customer asking something different. I need some alteration in my requirement. So this will create a problem, like you need to prepare the plan again, you need to focus on the things again. So this could be a barrier in project success. Organization structure and systematic resistance. If you are arranging project team through matrix structure, in existing employee of the organization and existing managers not allowing the employee to work on project as well as routine functions, so this could be a barrier in project success. That's why for project, it is necessary there should be separate team who should focus only on the project. Project risk you haven't analyzed properly, this could be a barrier. And change in technology, you are working on a technology and suddenly there is an innovation of technology in the market. This means now you have to adopt the new innovative technology. So previous things might not be compatible with the new technology. So this could be a barrier hurdles in project success. There are three concentrates of the project that we need to focus. One is cost, other is time, and third one is the scope. Scope means objective or quality that is required from the project. What are the project cost? There could be some capital investment like investment on the assets, on the technology, development cost. If we are going to move towards a long-term project, externally allocated cost, infrastructure cost, external consultancy cost if you need to consult different specialist consultants, resource cost, human resource, physical resource, financial resource cost, quality check cost, flexibility cost, or disruption cost. Disruption cost mean if there is any hurdles, problems during life of the project, so you need to bear some extra cost. What are the benefits of project? There are different types of benefits that can be achieved through a project. Like for your organization, you have started a project to move all the manual work towards computerized. And you have started a project to implement IT in the business. So what benefit organization will achieve from this project? There will be strategic management benefits. Strategic management mean organization will achieve competitive advantage because all the operations are automated. There could be productivity gains if IT is used in different departments, they can perform work quickly, so productivity will be improved. There will be some management benefit, mean management will be having a more flexibility to react towards the different problems. Mean they can solve things quickly. There will be elimination of human error, especially in the calculation work. So management will achieve some benefits. There will be some operational benefits. Operational benefits for different departments. They will be linked together through implementation of IT. They can communicate quickly with each other. Functional and support benefit mean all function will be working together. They are supporting each other. One department can obtain information of other department through a system rather than moving to them or calling them. There will be some intangible benefits. Intangible mean that cannot be seen and touched. Like if employees are working on manual system, they might get tired at end of the week because they are doing everything physically. They are preparing accounts physically. If you have implemented a project of IT system, now they are working on a system. So their efforts will be reduced. There will be less physical burden. So their morale, their satisfaction will be improved. That will be called intangible benefits. There will be some emergent benefit. Emergent benefit mean not defined before. We have started a project of implementing IT technology into the business so that everything should be done automated. That was the main objective behind the IT project. But after implementing IT into the business, we might realize, oh, now everything is automated. Now we can move towards online business as well. If we create a website, through website, we can create a different customers. Obviously, our existing system is also IT based that will support the online business. So these are the emergent benefit that have not been defined before starting the project. Mean that was not the main benefit of the project, but after completing the project, you might realize, oh, we can do this as well. We can achieve this as well because this has already happened. So those benefits are called emergent benefit that was not defined before, that was not known before starting the project. And after completing the project, you might realize we can also achieve this. So these are called emergent benefits. So what are the types of benefits that organization can achieve from a project? Strategic management benefit, like they will achieve competitive advantage, productivity gain, management benefit, operational benefit, functional and support benefit, intangible benefit like staff morale satisfaction, and emergent benefits that was not realized before that will be realized after completing the project. The benefits of the project can be classified into four categories: observable, measurable, quantifiable, and financial. Observable, measurable, quantifiable, and financial. Observable, that can be observed only, cannot be measured. Like staff morale, satisfaction, mean intangible benefits will be called observable. Measurable, that can be measured. We can calculate either sale has increased or not, either customer satisfaction has improved or not. But these are mainly non-financial. There could be some financial benefit like increase in say reduction in cost. Quantifiable mean related to future. In we can prepare forecast, we can prepare budgets for the futures. So that will be called quantifiable benefits. So different types of benefits are strategic, productivity, management, operational, functional, intangible, for emergent. While categories of benefits are observable, that can only be observed, like staff morale satisfaction. Measurable, that can be measured, like how much customer satisfaction has been improved, how much employee satisfaction has been improved. Financial, that is relating to financial data like sale growth, reduction in cost, increase in GP, increase in profit margin. And quantifiable, that is relating to future, like we can prepare some forecasts, some budgets about the future, mean we can plan something about the future. So let's discuss another topic called benefit management. Benefit management is a process, to identify and achieve benefits of the project. Benefit management is a process of identification and achievement of project benefit. As it is a process, so in benefit management process, there are 5 stages involved. Who defined these 5 stages? Two writers, Ward and Daniel. So benefit management is a process of identifying and achieving, realizing project benefit. How we can identify and achieve project benefit through a process. And this process is having 5 stages. First, identify and structure benefits. plan benefit realization, execute the plan, review the plan, and establish potential for further benefits. First we need to identify what benefit we can achieve from the project, and we need to structure benefit. Structure benefit mean we need to assign whether who will get this benefit. We will list down the benefits of the project, and we will assign who will be the department or person of this benefit. That is called identify and structure benefit. When this benefit will be achieved, because some benefits will be achieved during life of the project, some benefit will be achieved after completion of the project immediately, some benefit will be achieved might be like after 6 months or after 1 year of the project implementation. So first stage, we need to identify and structure benefits. Mean we need to set the timing of the benefits and to whom that benefit will be provided. Then we need to prepare a plan. How these benefits will be provided, how these benefits will be produced. What activities we need to perform to achieve the benefit. This is similar to project plan. And we need to execute that plan. We need to perform those activities. We need to review the plan as well during execution, whether the benefits we have identified and have been written in the plan are producing by the project or not. So first we need to identify and structure benefit. Then we need to prepare plan. Plan means activities that need to be performed. We need to execute that plan. And during execution, we need to review and evaluate whether as per plan benefits are produced or not. And last stage, establish potential for further benefits. After completing the project, we need to make sure, is there anything else that we can perform and produce more benefits that was not defined before, like emergent benefit? Like we have implemented the IT project in the organization for internal operations. So after completion, we need to see, is there anything else that we can achieve? Obviously, if we move towards online business, we can increase our sale not only in local customer, we can target other customers as well. So this is called establish potential for further benefits. That has not been identified here. This second stage, planned benefit realization, is also called a benefit dependency framework. The activities we need to perform to produce benefit is called plan, that we will execute at number 3 and evaluate review at number 4. This plan is called benefit dependency framework. And benefit dependency framework is having 5 steps. First, we need to identify business drivers. Business drivers mean business objectives. Second, we need to establish investment objective, mean project objective. In plan, we need to define business objective. In plan, we need to define project objective, just to see whether project objective is aligned with business objective or not. Because if project objective is not aligned with business objective, this project is failed project. This will not provide any of the benefit to the organization. So in plan, we need to state what is the business objective and what are the project objective. Then we need to identify business benefits, mean we need to define the list of benefits in the project plan as in the benefit plan as well. And then to achieve these benefits, what business changes are required, what activities we need to perform to achieve these benefits, that should also be part of plan. Accordingly, execution will be done. The main part is this. I mean, what activities should be performed to achieve these benefits? And according to those planned activities, there will be execution and there will be review monitoring during execution of the activities. And then we need to define associate further enabling changes. Further enabling changes are one of changes that are necessary to achieve objective of the project. So our project is to implement IT system in the organization. Through implementation of IT system, we can achieve strategic benefit, management benefit, productivity benefit, sport benefit. What are further enabling changes? Those extra changes. What is this identified required business changes? We need to install hardware and software. If we want to put everything in IT system, what hardware, where to install, what software, where to install, when to install hardware, when to install software. So these are the main changes. Can we achieve business objective without provide training to the employees how to work on the IT system? No. The main project is implement IT system in the organization. But that IT system will not work without a training to the employee. This means to implement that project effectively, we need to train the employee as well. And these are extra changes, except the main project. So that training is called further enabling changes. If you are working in a country where there is a shortage of electricity, there is too much a problem of electricity shortfall, can we run IT system properly without having a UPS? This means we need to install UPS or generator as well. So these are called further enabling changes, mean extra changes to achieve benefit of the project, because without these, we will not be able to achieve benefit. If employees are not trained, by implementing only IT hardware, software, we cannot achieve benefit. Without implementing UPS, we cannot achieve benefit of IT project. So these are extra changes, one-off changes that we need to make along with the main changes. These are the main changes, main activities that we need to perform to achieve benefit. So what is benefit management? Benefit management is a process of identifying and achieving business benefit. If it is a process, there are 5 stages involved. First, we need to identify and structure benefit. Then we need to prepare a plan, mean what things we need to do to achieve benefit. If IT related project, mean we need to install hardware, where we need to install, what kind of hardware, what kind of software. This is the plan. And we will execute that plan. Mean these are the main activities. We will review whether execution is going as per plan or not. After completing the project, we need to look for whether we can achieve further benefits by doing something extra. Otherwise, the main benefit plan are these 4 stages. The second benefit plan is also called benefit dependency framework. Mean what are the things in the plan? In plan, we will write down business objective, mean business driver. In plan, we will write down project objective, mean investment objective. In plan, we will list down the benefits of the project. But the main thing in the plan is a required business changes, mean what we need to do that will be executed here. But along with the main changes, we need to see or define some further enabling changes, mean what extra change we need in the organization to achieve the benefit of the project. Because without these extra changes, we cannot achieve a benefit of the project by just having the main changes. There are two terms called business owner and change owner. Business owner, a benefit owner, is a person who will take benefit of the project. Mean against each benefit of the project, we need to define a person who will take benefit of the project, and mainly the benefit owner are project sponsor. Sponsor is not investor. Sponsor is a person who will get more success as project will be successful, or who will lose most in case of failure of the project. Is not a investor only, could be investor, but the person who will be more successful with success of the project, who will get more benefit with success of the project, or who will lose most with the failure of the project. And change owner mean who will make changes in the business as per the plan, mean who will perform the activities, and change owner is mainly project manager. Obviously, he will not make changes by himself, he will make changes through project team. But in project team, who need to do what? Project manager is responsible for that. So benefit owner mean against each benefit, we will define a person who will get the benefit, that is called benefit owner. And mainly the benefit owner is project sponsor, who will get most benefit with success of the project, or who will lose most in case of failure of the project. Sponsor doesn't mean the financer, investor. And project owner, change owner is a person who will make changes happen, who will ensure changes are happening as per the plan, and he is project manager. In project management, we use different software as well. Some software are readily available in the market, like a fast plan, win project, we can use in the project management. Where we can use these software in project, we can use in planning, mean through software we can prepare Gantt charts, through software we can prepare PID, we can prepare business case, we can prepare project plan. If we don't have knowledge about plan, business case, these software will help you to fill this, fill this, fill this field, fill this field, mean prepare this, mean they will help in planning. Through this, we can prepare different charts, diagrams of the project. Through software, we can take help in estimation, like we need to prepare cost budget, we need to prepare time budget for the project, so we can prepare those budgets using the software easily. Mean we don't need to make calculation by ourselves, software will do calculation automatically. Through software, we can monitor, we can perform review monitoring of the project. Like if we have started 5 years project, currently we have passed 2 years, 2 months, 35 days. How much work should be done till today? We can check from the software accurately. How much cost should be spent till today? We can check from the software accurately. Means software will help us in monitoring, control, review as well, so that we can check whether everything is going as per plan or not. If there is any deviation from plan, like either we have spent more cost or we have completed less work as compared to plan, so we can take corrective action. These software help in reporting as well. Like if top management want to know how much work has been completed till now, how much cost you have spent till now, we can produce quick reports from the software and present to the management. Mean they help in reporting as well. If there is no software, obviously we need to make calculation. We need to perform some calculation, and that will require some time to prepare the reports. So what are the advantages of project software? They help in planning and control. They help in reporting, mean communication. And through software, we can improve quality of the system, means we can perform control, review, monitoring, estimation properly. Project management completely now. 5 stages: business case, project plan, PID, then why project successful, why project failure. And we have covered one topic: project benefits, types, categories, and benefit management, 5 stages by Daniel and Watt. And project software, where they can be used in planning, in estimating, in monitoring, in reporting, and what are the advantages of project software. So let's move towards our 4 type of function: marketing, IT, HR, finance. Marketing, IT, HR, finance. In 4 chapters we need to cover, and that is only part left in our syllabus. So let's discuss about marketing. Then we will move toward IT. After IT, we will discuss HR. After HR, we will discuss about finance. Marketing. What is the purpose of marketing? Increasing revenue and sale is not a purpose of marketing. It's a purpose of business. It's a purpose of sales department. What is the purpose of marketing? To attract the customers, to make aware customer about your products and services. Awareing the customers or attracting customer is the main purpose of marketing. The main purpose of marketing is not to increase sales. Main purpose is to attract customer or aware the customer about our products and services. And marketing is not that much easy. Like we have just started advertising on TV, on social media. No, it's not that much easy. There are 5 stages involved in marketing process: market analysis, customer analysis, market research, targeting, and marketing mix strategies. First, we need to perform market analysis. Market analysis means we need to identify whether we need marketing or not. If we don't need marketing, we are just spending money. This is a wastage of money. We need to identify whether we need marketing or not. If we need marketing, then we need to perform customer analysis, mean who are our customer and where they are in the country where we are operating our business. Either we are targeting rich class, so our customer will not be spreading in the whole city, they will be in the posh areas only. If you are targeting lower class, labor class, so their area will be different. So first we need to see need for marketing. Then we need to perform customer analysis, mean who are our customer and where they are. And then we need to perform market research. Market research, okay, if we have identified 5 different areas where our customers are, so we need to make sure either we need to perform marketing in all 5 areas, or some areas might be in some areas our customers are already attached with us, there is no competitor, so there is no need for marketing in that area. There could be some area where we are not marketing, our competitors are marketing over there. This means we need to target, we need to find those areas. And then we need to find the targeting, mean which segment of the market we are going to target and how we can target. Either we can target through social media, through TV advert, through billboard, through pamphlet, through newspaper, mean which segment and how to target them. Lower labor class, we cannot target through social media or TV adverts. They can be targeted through radio. They can be targeted through local newspaper, not national newspaper, or they can be targeted through pamphlets. Rich class, you cannot target through pamphlets. They will not bother to see pamphlets. You should target through national newspaper, through TV advert, or through social media. And then the most importantly, you have to look for marketing mix. What is marketing mix? 4 P's of marketing that you need to consider properly. What are the 4 P's that you need to consider in marketing? Price, promotion, place, product. If you are not considering these 4 P's properly, your marketing is failed. Product. If you are having 50 products, you need to choose a product that you going to be market. You cannot market all 50 products. So you need to choose a product. Which product that is new and better than competitor. To that product, you should attract the discussion. Through old product that is poor in quality than competitor, you will not be attracting the customers. So you need to choose the product. And in product, you need to focus on the product design. You need to focus on the product quality as well. Because if your product design is poor, your product quality is poor, you will not be attracting customers through that product. So you need to focus on the product. Means selecting product out of your products, focusing on the product design and product quality, product packaging as well. The packaging of the product should also be attractive. Then you need to focus on price. Mean what price we should offer to the customer. And in price, you need to focus on 4 C's. Cost, customer, competitor, and corporate objective. Meanwhile, setting price of the product, while marketing price of the product, you need to check its cost first. Then you should add a profit margin on the cost so that you can set a price. If you're not checking the cost, might be you are offering your product at a loss price. While setting price of your product, you need to focus on the customer, whether customer will be willing to buy at this price or not. He has the ability to buy this product at this price or not. And if you are targeting lower class and you have set the high price because there is a high margin, customer is not able to buy, so there is no purpose of marketing will be achieved. If you are targeting a high rich class, then you should set high price. While setting price of the product, you need to focus on competitor price as well. And your product price should be below or maximum equal to competitor price if you are selling the same quantity. If your price is higher than competitor, your marketing will be failed. While setting price, you need to focus on corporate objective. I mean, what is the objective of your organization? If the objective currently is to generate a high profit, you can set a high price. But if the objective is to gain market share, then you should set lower price. So in product, you need to see about the design, quality, packaging of the product, and choosing the right product. And in price, we need to focus on 4 C's: cost, customer, competitors price, and corporate objective, either high profit or gaining market share. Because if these 4 C's are not considered properly, your marketing is failed. What are the other P's? We need to focus on promotion. Mean how we should promote our product. either by discount, either by offers, either by heavy advertisement, either by advertisement through a celebrity, how we can promote our product. And then we need to look for place as well, mean where we will provide this product to the customer, either online, either on our distribution channel, either on any office, any shop. We need to look for the place as well. So marketing is a process having 5 stages. First, we need to see need for marketing, market analysis. Then we need to look for the customer we are going to target, customer analysis, where they are. Then we need to see market research, mean where we should market. Then we need to see target, mean which segment we are going to target and how we should target the customer. And then we should look at the most important part, marketing mix, mean 4 P's of the marketing. What are the 4 P's? Product, price, promotion, and place. If you are doing a traditional business, mean manual business, we need to focus on 4 P's. But if we are running any IT based business, online business, then we need to focus on 7 P's. In along with these 4 P's, there are 3 additional P's for e-marketing. E-marketing mean electronic marketing. Electronic marketing mean marketing by the use of internet technologies. What are the 3 additional P's for e-marketing? People, process, physical evidence. Traditional marketing, 4 P's. Product, price, promotion, place. While e-marketing is having 7 P's. What are the 3 additional P's? People, process, physical evidence. If we are moving towards online business, e-marketing, we need to focus on people. People mean how we should create interaction with the customer. How we should create interaction with the customer. We can create interaction with the customer. How we can create interaction with the customer? By defining our toll-free number where customer can call freely and interact with our customer to take any help. Or we need to create a chat room blog on our website from where customer can take help by discussing with the staff member. Because this is more important in online business or e-marketing. We need to focus on process of our production of goods and services and delivery of our goods and services to the customer. Mean how we will provide the product to the customer. How this product has been produced through our system, we need to focus on those as well. Mean we need to explain the production process, how we can explain by placing some pictures stepwise, or we can make a video and launch that video on our website so that customers are aware how this product has been produced. And how that product will be delivered to the customer, we need to provide complete detail of delivery of the product process as well. Because this will help the customer more, this will put the customer into more ease, and through this we can attract more customers by explaining the process of delivery and production. This will create more satisfaction among the customer. Interaction with the people will create more satisfaction among the customers, and we will be able to attract more customers. And we need to focus on physical evidence as well. If we are doing online business, what is the picture of our business we are creating on the customer? That is our website. So we need to make sure our website is attractive enough. Visually, it is attractive. If it is visually attractive, it's easy to use. Customer will be attracted. If our website is not physically, visually attractive, it's not easy to use, we will not be able to attract the customer. So in online business, online marketing, we need to focus on three extra P's: how to create interaction with the customer, either through toll-free number, through chat room blog, how to explain process of production and delivery of our goods and services to the customer. We should explain by using pictures, by using videos. And we need to focus on physical evidence of our business that is going to be created on customer mind, mean our website should be attractive. In price, while setting price, we need to focus on four P's, four C's: cost, customer, competitor, and competitive advantage, corporate objective. A business can adopt different pricing policies or methods. A business can adopt different pricing policies or methods. Penetration pricing. Penetrate pricing means setting lower price as compared to competitor to attract the customer. Price penetration. Perceived quality pricing means setting a high price to set an image that our product is of high quality, especially if we are targeting rich class. We should always set high price because rich class having the perception that high price products are of high quality, low price products are low quality. If we are targeting rich class, so we need to set the high price to create an image like our product is high quality, and that is called perceived quality pricing. Periodic discounting mean for some period we can provide some discount. Independence Day discount, any of the special day like a New Year discount for 3 days, for 7 days. Through this, we can attract more customers. Price discrimination means charging different prices in different locations. Like in main market, where products are easily available, we will charge low price. In a market where products are not easily available, especially at the airports, we will charge high price. Price discrimination means charging different prices according to location. In your local country, you will charge low price. In foreign, you will charge high price. That is called price discrimination, means charging different price in different locations. Going rate pricing is according to competitor. If competitor decreasing price, you will decrease. If they are increasing, you will increase. Price scheming is according to life cycle. If your industry is in growth stage or maturity stage, you will charge a high price. If your industry is in introduction or decline stage, you will charge low price. Scheming mean according to life cycle. Negotiate pricing mean not fixed pricing. There will be negotiation with the customer where the deal will be finalized. We will charge that price. It depends upon the negotiation power of the customer and the sales team. Mean not fixed price. Loss leader mean we will sell some products on loss to attract the customer, because if customer is attracted, they will buy some other products and they will provide us a benefit profit in other products. Like if nobody is coming towards your business to your shop, but you are having so many variety of products, so you can sell some products on loss. Those products that has become obsolete or out of fashion. To avoid full loss, you are bearing some loss to attract the customer. Captive product pricing mean you are marketing the cheap product for the customer and attracting the customer through cheap product, but they have to buy the cheap product along with one expensive product. Mean they cannot buy that cheap product alone. That is called captive product pricing. And this is used with complementary products, complementary like bat and ball. You have offered the ball on discount, shuttle on discount, but nobody can use ball or shuttle alone. They have to buy the bat and racket as well. But bat and racket, you are selling on normal price and you are achieving benefit in those. Bait pricing. Companies having wide range, but often the lowest price model is advertised. I mean, you are having so many products, but you have advertised the lowest price product to attract the customer, because if customer are coming to your business, to your shop, they will be buying other things and they will provide you benefit in that. And this is not for complementary good, this is separate goods. Like the grocery stores normally do these kind of things. I mean, low price product they advertise so that customer are coming. Obviously, they will buy full grocery for the month and they will be providing benefit in other products. Bundle pricing mean you have offered the customer price in bundle, mean customer cannot buy a single product. To get a benefit, they have to buy a bundle. Like Pepsi Coke, you are selling in a bundle of 6. If customer want to buy a single Pepsi Coke bottle, might be price is $5. But if they will buy in a bundle of 6 or 12, it will cost them $3 or $4. And you have advertised Pepsi at $3. But they cannot get at $3. They have to buy the complete bundle to get $3 price. Cost plus pricing mean you are setting your price according to cost by adding a fixed margin. Suppose you have set your margin as 10%. You will see what is the cost. Suppose cost is 9 and 10% of 9 is 0.9. So you will set the price 9.9. Cost is 20 and your margin is 10%. You will set the price 22. That is called cost plus pricing. So penetrate pricing, setting lower price as compared to competitive. Discount offers. Perceived quality, setting high price to set an image that product is of high quality. Periodic discounting means providing discount for particular days or week. Price discrimination, charging different prices according to different areas. Price skimming, changing prices according to industry life cycle. Negotiate pricing mean based on negotiation, not fixed bargain prices. Loss leaders selling some products on loss to cover the 100% loss. And captive product pricing mean selling the cheap product along with high price product. Paid pricing, lower price model is advertised to attract the customer. Bundle pricing mean offering lower prices but in bundle, not on single product. And cost plus pricing, setting prices according to fixed margin on the cost. So marketing is a process of a 5 stages. And the last stage, we need to look for marketing mix strategies. What is marketing mix? 4 P's. But in online business, e-marketing, we need to focus on 7 P's. 3 extra P's are people, process, and physical appearance. While setting prices, we need to focus on 4 C's. What are the different pricing strategies that business can adopt to attract the customers? Let's discuss another topic called e-marketing. You can say these are the benefits of e-marketing. Or these are the benefits of e-business, mean online business as well. A business can achieve 6 I benefit through e-marketing. What are the 6 I's? Interactivity, intelligence, individualization, integration, industry structure, and independence of location. A business can achieve 6I benefit using e-marketing. Instead of traditional manual marketing through boards, through pamphlets, through leaflets, if you are marketing through social media, through internet technologies, you can achieve 6I benefits. Independence of location. You are not restricted to a single location area. Through internet, you can market your product all over the world. Because through traditional market, you can only market in your local areas only. For other areas, you have to move there, you have to put the banner over there, and that will create so much cost. But through internet, you can market your product all over the world. You are not restricted to a specific location. Individualization you can offer discount to individual customers separately by using emails, or even through social media. You can set a target market area as well, where you can provide more discount as compared to other areas of the world, or especially to large customer. Through emails, you can offer more discount to capture them. Because in traditional marketing, your board, your pamphlet will be similar for all, either large customer, either small customer. But through e-marketing, you can target the customer individually as well. Interactivity. Through e-marketing, you can make good interaction with the customer. Through online business, through your website, you can make good interaction with the customer. How? By placing a chat room blog on your website, so that customer can ask question and you can provide solution. You can create frequently asked question blog on the website as well, from where customer can get all the information they require. And this will help in more customer satisfaction, because you are interacting with the customer. Through manual business, it's not that much easy. To interact with the customer, either customer have to move towards your location, or you have to move towards customer location. And that will require some time as cost as well. But through e-marketing, e-business, you can create more interaction with the customer. And by creating more interaction with the customer, you can move from push business to pull business. You can move from push business to pull business. What is push business? Push business is like a business has developed a product, and they have pushed to the market, and from market customer will buy that product, and customer is having no other option. Those customers who will like that product, they will buy, other will not buy. What is pull business? Customer has provided information to the business, like I need this product in this way, of this quality. How they are providing information? Through your website, by communicating with your staff, and then business will provide that product to the customer. Customized product. And if you are providing customized product, obviously you can charge even high price, because that product is not available in the market. That's why customer is requiring from you. And this can help you in generating more revenue, more profitability. So what is push business? Business has designed the product, business has produced the product, and they have launched into the market, and customer need to buy that. What is pull business? Business is pulling product from the business by providing his requirement, customized product. How? By providing his requirement through website, through chat room blog. Interactivity. Through e-business, through e-marketing, we can interact better with the customer. We can move from push business to pull business. That can help the business to increase its revenue and profitability. So integration. Not separate. Intelligence. Through e-marketing, we can achieve Benefit of intelligence. What is intelligence? We can use different intelligence technique to increase our customer and sales. What are the intelligent techniques? We can take some information from different search engines like Google. What kind of product relating to our business is highly searched nowadays? We can take this information from search engines. This means this product is more demanded by the customer nowadays. So by having that knowledge, we can launch that kind of product in a more better way to attract more customers. This is called intelligence. That will be achieved in e-business, e-marketing only, cannot be achieved in traditional marketing. Through SEOs. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. What happens nowadays? If any person want to buy something and he want to know from where I can buy, they search through Google. They just put the name of the product into Google search, and Google will provide the name of different businesses, different website from where you can buy that product. And what customer do? They just click on the first website or maximum second, third to compare prices. And if that product is available, they simply place order quickly. They don't want to waste time to move on second page, third page, fourth page. What are the other businesses who are offering this product? On the first page, what are the businesses? On the top, they buy from them. How we can move our website to top pages of search engines? There are some programming techniques called SEO, where programmer will do some programming, and through that programming, our business website will be moved towards the top pages of Google search engine. Like if customer search anything, our website should be on the top. If our website is on the top, obviously we will be attracting more customer, we will be getting more customer. These are intelligent techniques that we can use through e-marketing, through e-business to get more customers. So what benefit business can achieve through e-marketing, e-business? Interactivity. Mean we can create more interaction with the customer, moving from push to pull business. Different intelligence techniques we can adopt to increase our sale, like we can take information from search engines, what kind of product is most searched by the customer, so that we can launch that product in much better way to attract the customer. Or through SEO type intelligent technique, we can move our business website to top pages of search engines to attract and get more customers. Through e-marketing, we can achieve individualization, mean we can target customers individually. Integration, what is integration? Creating links with others. Creating link with others. Nowadays, to perform business, we need to create link with any intermediary through which we are selling our product. We need to create link with the supplier as well, from where we are getting either complete product or raw material to produce our product. Through e-business, e-marketing, we can create good link with the suppliers of other countries, so that we can just buy the product from them and deliver directly to the customer by just putting our logo on the product. Or we can create quick links with the intermediaries through which we can sell our products in any of the country where there are more customer traffics. This is called integration. Mean creating link with others like suppliers or intermediary through which we can sell our product or source our product. And this is quickly done. Even we can source supplier from any other country by using internet technologies. The moment customer have order placed on our website, we provide quick information to the supplier so that they can proceed the delivery on behalf of us directly to the customer. Integration. Like you can sell your product through Amazon, you can sell your products through eBay by creating intermediary. Even from Amazon, you can buy a product from any of the supplier and you can sell to your customer. You don't need to hold the inventory. This is integration. Industry structure. Through online business e-marketing, you can create industry structure quickly. Mean whenever you want to enter in the industry, you can upload your products, upload your website. If you want to get out of the industry for some time, you can simply click remove your products from that website. And you can enter the industry quickly or you can exit from the industry quickly. In manual business, obviously to enter in a business industry, you need to first rent out the space, you need to place the product, you need to prepare the display, then you will enter into the industry. To get out of the industry, you need to remove your products from that place. Obviously, you have to bear some contractual obligation with the rent building owner. It's not that much easy, but in online business, you can enter into the industry quickly. You can exit from the industry quickly by just placing your product on any website or removing your products from any website. So what are the benefits of e-marketing or e-business? Interactivity, good interaction, move from push business to pull business. Intelligence, mean by using different intelligent technique, we can increase sales. Individualization, we can target customers individually. We can offer bigger discount to bigger customer individually through emails. Integration, we can create relation with suppliers and intermediary more quickly. Industry structure, we can enter into the industry, we can exit into the industry quickly. And independence of location, we are not restricted to market our product on single location. We can market our product throughout the world. Let's take a break. After break, we will discuss a good question on this area. Okay, let's discuss few more topics in marketing chapter, then we will move towards our question. E-branding. What is brand? Brand is a name, symbol, mark of the organization. And if you are promoting your brand with the use of internet technologies, that will be called e-branding. And through internet technologies, you can promote your brand a much better way than the traditional model because you can put the brand symbol, the brand logo on almost any website, on almost any social media platform, and people will be more familiar about your brand name, logo, or sibling. There's another small topic called customer relationship management. CRM stands for customer relationship management. This is also a part of a marketing department that they need to create good relationship with the customer because a business success mainly depends upon CRM in how better the business managing its relation with the customer. If business is managing good relation with the customer, obviously they will be retaining the customers for longer period. If your customers are retained, obviously you will be increasing your sale not only through new customer, through existing customer as well. Business can manage CRM in better way through eCRM mean by using internet technologies. How? There are four stages involved in eCRM: selection, acquisition, retention, and extension. Mean by using internet technologies, you can select your customer not only locally, you can select your customer all over the world. In other areas where your business is not physically present. How? Through your website, through your online business, you can target customer in different areas around the world. You can acquire customer from different areas by adopting the different methods. Like in new area, if you want to acquire customer, you can provide more discount for a customer. Where you are already having enough customer in that area, you can capture your customer by providing lesser discounts. And you can retain your customer through your website as well. Like if you have created any customer interaction with each other platform, like they can chat with each other, they can play different games with each other on company website. Through this, you can retain your customer. And you can retain your customer like if a customer have bought a product from you and you are having detail in your system. So the next model, next upgrade of that product, you can inform the customer through email, and through emails, they will be able to buy the new updated version. So through this, you can retain your customer more easily by using internet technologies. By using internet technologies, you can manage a customer and you can move towards extension of customer, like introduce a friend and get a 20% discount on your next purchase. Through this, you can extend the customer. If a customer have bought any product, suppose they have bought a mobile from your business, the related product with mobile phone, like its pouch, its hand-free, its charger, you can offer to customer by providing some discounts. Through this, you can extend your customer, mean extend your sale. So business success depends upon its CRM, mean how better customer managing relation with the customer. And you can manage your CRM in better way through eCRM, mean managing customer relationship with the use of technology. How you can manage customer with the use of technology through selection, like you can select customer from other areas as well. You can acquire, mean target customer from other areas easily. You can retain customer by introducing different new version of your products. And you can extend the customer by providing different incentive discount to the customer through emails. So this marketing chapter is ended now. Let's discuss a question on marketing. I mean, how marketing can be tested. So we are having a question, AEC, Accounting Education Consortium. Accounting Education Consortium. There are two requirements of the question. One, requirement A for 10 marks and requirement B for 15 marks. And we need to focus on requirement A first. We will read the scenario completely, and then we will move towards requirement B and see what is in requirement B. The requirement A for 10 marks, explain in context of AEC how the marketing characteristics of electronic media, marketing characteristics of electronic media, such as the internet, mean e-marketing, differ from those of traditional marketing media, such as advertising and direct mail. I mean, how e-marketing is different than traditional marketing. How it's different. For 10 marks, we need to explain. I mean, we need to make 5 paragraphs. How it is different. How it is different. In marketing, we have learned 5 stages of marketing. We have learned 4 P's, 7 P's of marketing. And we have learned pricing strategies, benefits of marketing. I mean, through e-marketing, you can achieve 6 I's. You can achieve interactivity, intelligence techniques, individualization, integration, industry structure, and independence of location. This is the difference, I mean, benefits that we can achieve through e-marketing. Let's discuss the scenario. What company is doing? Introduction. The Accounting Education Consortium AEC offers professional accountancy education and training courses. It currently runs classroom-based training courses, preparing candidates for professional examination in 8 worldwide centers. I mean, they provide some accountancy training courses in 8 worldwide centers, classroom-based. 3 of these centers are also used for delivering continuing professional development CPD courses to qualified accountants. Like if in your country there is a change in any legislation, there is change in any tax laws, like for UAE, now company have to comply with corporation tax, and people already working in the organization doesn't know how to account for regarding corporation tax. So you are providing this kind of training courses as well for the qualified people who are already working. This is called CPD, continuing professional development. I mean, out of 8, 3 areas, 3 center provide CPD courses as well. However, only about 30% of advertised CPD courses and seminars actually run. In only 30% CPD courses seminar becomes successful, 70% failed. The rest are cancelled through not having enough participants to make them economically viable. Mean to run that course might be cost is high. There are no much participants when income is low. That's why they need to cancel. This means their marketing department is not properly attracting the customer, means students, for CPD courses. That's why 70% you have to be cancelled due to not having number of students there. AEC has developed a comprehensive set of course manual to support the preparation of its candidates for professional examination. There is a course manual for every examination paper in the professional examination scheme. I mean, they are providing some course manual mean study material as well. As well as being used on the classroom-based courses, these course manuals are also available for purchase over the internet. Mean not only hard copy, they are also selling soft copy. The complete set of manuals for a professional examination scheme cost $180, and the website has a secure payment facility which allows this to be paid by credit card. And company is selling the course manual complete with $180, and they can buy online as well. Once purchased, the manual may be downloaded or they may be sent on a CD to the home address of the purchaser. It is only possible to purchase the complete set of manual for the scheme, not individual manual for particular examination. Like if you are studying ACCA and there are 13 papers in ACCA, and if you want to buy course manual, you have to buy the course of all 13 papers. You cannot buy for individual paper. Mean company is not providing flexibility to the students. To help the student decide if he or she wishes to buy the complete set manual set, the website has extract from a sample course manual. Before buying, you can see the sample. What is the quality of the material? This sample may be accessed, viewed, and printed once a student has registered their email address, name, and address on the website. But for that, to see the sample, you have to provide your information on company website, like your email ID, your name, your address, your phone number. So that company is having your information. Afterward, they can send you different emails, different messages for marketing purposes. That's happened with us. Like every morning, if we wake up and see there are 5 to 10 messages from different brands. Some of the brands we never ever visited even. But they got our number from some sources and now they are sending their information through messages for marketing purpose. So companies also retaining customer detail before viewing sample of course manual. AEC has recently won a contract to supply professional accountancy training to a global accounting company. They are also providing training for global accounting company as well. All students working for this company will now be trained by AEC at one of its worldwide center. Global accounting company is there, might be biggest customer. Website, the company website, the AEC website has the following functionality. Who we are, a short description of the company and its product and services that every business website provides. Professional education courses, course date, location, and standard fee for professional examination courses. This schedule, of course, is printable. CPD, course date, location, and standard fee for CPD courses and seminars. This schedule is also printable. They are providing detail of their products. CPD catalog, detailed course and seminar description for CPD courses and seminars. Downloadable study material, extract from a sample course manual. Student can see sample before buying, and visitor to the site wishing to access this material must register their email address, name, and address. 5,500 people registered last year to download study material. In last year, 5,500 students saw the sample before buying. Purchase study materials, secure payment of a complete manual set of our professional scheme. Payment is by credit card. On completion of successful payment, the visitor is able to download the manual or to request them to be shipped to a certain address on a CD. At present, 10% of people who viewed downloadable study material proceed to purchase. Out of 5,500 inquiries, only 550 converted to sale. 90% inquiries lost. Obviously, if anybody is spending a time providing detail and then downloading the material, they want to buy. But why they are not buying? There could be quality issue, or the major issue is price for the complete map. You are not allowing flexibility like anybody can buy part manual as well. Who to contact for booking professional training courses or CPD courses and seminar? It provides the name, email address, fax number, telephone number, address of the contact at each of 8 worldwide center. Mean your contacts details at 8 different centers worldwide. Marketing strategy. The marketing manager of AEC has traditionally used magazine, newspaper, and direct mail, mean letter, to promote its courses and products. Mean they were using traditional marketing, manual marketing. Direct mail is primarily used for sending printed course catalog to potential customers for CPD courses and seminars. Mean through this, they are sending pamphlet through letter email, not email, through letter. However, she is now keen to develop the potential of the internet and to increase investment in this medium at the expense of the traditional marketing media. And now, marketing manager is thinking about moving towards e-marketing. Table 1 shows the percentage allocation of our budget for 2008 compared with 2007. The actual budget has only been increased by 3% in 2008. On advertisement, they were spending 40% of their budget before. Now they will spend 30%. Advertisement means billboards. Direct mail means sending pamphlets through letter. They were spending 30%. Now they will spend 10% only. Sponsorship means sponsoring different events to advertise, like putting your banner board over there, like in any game tournament like that. You are spending 10% of your budget. Now you will spend 10%. While in internet mean e-marketing, you are spending 20% your budget previously. Now you will spend half of the budget on internet, mean you are moving towards e-marketing. So explain in the context of AEC how the marketing characteristics of electronic media mean e-marketing differ from traditional marketing. So through e-marketing, they can achieve these 6 I benefits. Interactivity. They can interact with the customer even a much better way through e-marketing than the traditional marketing. Especially they can interact with the students who want to buy study material. 90% inquiries are lost, so they are having detail of them. So they can contact them through email, through phone number, and ask the reason why they haven't bought the manual. Either there is a quality issue, either there is a price issue, either there is a flexibility issue. They can highlight those issues and they can change the system to convert more sales. Interactivity. Intelligence, they can adopt different intelligence technique, like they can find information from different search engines, like what kind of accountancy courses are searched nowadays in different area, so that they can promote those courses according to different areas in much better way. Might be at lower prices, so that they can capture more students and increase their sales. Individualization, like for corporate customers who want some CPD training for their employees and they are having so many number of employees, they can target them individually by providing more discount. And through that, they can increase their revenue from CPD courses even more than before. Individualization. Independence of location, there are 8 worldwide centers. Might be there are some areas near to your center, but customers are there. So you can mark it in those areas and attract a customer from the nearest areas as well through e-marketing, because through traditional, you cannot make marketing on other nearest areas. only you can make marketing in your area where you are physical present. But the areas nearest to your worldwide centers, you can market by using internet over there as well on their local social website, and you can attract a customer from those nearest areas to your center, and you can increase customer independence of location. Integration. Company is selling course manual as well. And if they are selling hard copy of course manual, they might be buying the inventory from different publishers, keeping the inventory in the business so that when a student make order, they can deliver quickly. Through internet, they can create good integration with the publisher means supplier. Like if a student placing order for any course manual, they provide the information through system integration to the supplier, publisher, and they will make delivery on behalf of AEC directly to the customer. Through this, company can avoid holding of inventory. Mean they can move towards make to buy. Mean if a customer order is there, they will send information to publisher, they will publish and send to the customer. They don't need to produce products before taking order from the customer. They don't need to hold the inventory of study material. So we can explain 5 points from company point of view. I mean, we need to apply the concept of 6 eyes from company point of view. I mean, how this company can achieve interactivity, how this company can achieve intelligence, how this company can achieve individualization, integration, and independence of location. What is the part B of this question? For 15 marks. Evaluate how the marketing manager might use electronic marketing, include the internet to vary the marketing mix at AEC. In how this company can use marketing mix. Obviously, if they are using e-marketing, they need to focus on 7 P's. Business need to focus on their product. In what courses they are offering to the students. And regarding product, they can find information through search engine. Mean what kind of product is mostly searched by the people through search engine in different areas, and they can launch that program in much better way in that areas to attract the customer. Regarding product, they can take information from the customer whether they are satisfied with the product, its price, its course material, and they can improve those things regarding the products in better way to satisfy the students. Regarding price, they can compare prices of other institutes who are providing similar courses through internet by taking information through internet, by searching information of other competitors through internet, and they can set prices of their products accordingly. If you are using internet e-business, so regarding the course manual, you can also charge price per page as well. Like if a student want to study online through soft copy, you can charge price per page, and through this you can increase your sale through study material as well. If inquiries are lost due to pricing issue only, price, how we can consider according to customer, according to compactor. What else company need to focus on promotion? 70% of the CPD courses fails. Why they fail? Might be promotion is not done properly. So they can promote CPD courses by adopting different promotional strategies according to different areas around the world. Like they can offer some discount to the existing students. Like in future, if they want to attend CPD courses, they can avail on some discount. And through this, you can make more successful your CPD courses. You can promote your CPD courses in much better way to larger customer by providing them more discounts, where companies having more number of employees. Place, you are having 8 worldwide centers. So you can choose the nearest places to market your product so that you can attract the student from nearest places of your 8 worldwide centers where there is a demand of this kind of courses. And then company need to focus on interactivity, especially interaction with the students. What they want from the organization, what other facilities they want in the center, how company can improve their courses much better way. Especially they can interact with the students regarding who have viewed the sample study material but not converting into sale. So they can get information, resolve those issues, and they can make their sale better by resolving the issues. Process company need to focus. Process mean the process of how company deliver the lecture. They can produce some videos of lecture delivery and put on their website. How admission can be taken, how the course will be progress, how examination will be conducted. They can provide some photos or steps picture over their website to provide more satisfaction, more information to the customer to attract them. They need to focus on physical evidence, like they can provide videos of the facilities in their worldwide centers. Mean they can provide videos or pictures of their classroom environment. They can provide pictures, videos of the library, of the playing area, of the parking, of the canteen, of the building of their worldwide centers to attract more customers. So before physically moving to your center, customer are aware about your facilities. So this will help them to make decision more conveniently. So we can link with the 7 Ps. Not don't need to link with the 7 Ps. Even you can explain 5 Ps for 15 marks, 3 marks each. Like you have to provide a little bit more information about each P. If there is lesser information, then move towards 7 Ps. So marketing is done. Let's move toward IT. What is commerce? What is commerce? Trade. Buying and selling of goods and services is called commerce. Buying and selling of goods and services is called commerce. What is e-commerce? Buying and selling of goods and services through internet technologies is called e-commerce. Buying and selling of goods and services through internet technologies is called e-commerce. There are two types of e-commerce. Buy side e-commerce and sell side e-commerce. Buy side e-commerce and sell side e-commerce. What is buy side e-commerce? This is a business. This business bought some product, some material from supplier. After production, they sell to the customer either directly, either through any intermediary. If you are selling directly to consumer, this is your customer. But if you are selling through any intermediary, this intermediary or your customer, but consumer is the person who will buy from this intermediary. Like you are wholesaler, this intermediary is a retailer. And through consumer, you are providing your products through intermediary, retailer. Mean this intermediary will be your customer because you are selling to intermediary, but you are helping the intermediary in marketing of your product. Might be intermediary is not investing in marketing more because he is selling so many brands. So you will promote your brand, but your customer will be mainly intermediary. Buying and selling of goods and services from supplier to business will be called buy-side e-commerce. And buying and selling of goods and services from business to intermediary mean customer or consumer will be called sell-side e-commerce. E-commerce, buying and selling of goods and services through internet technologies. Buy-side e-commerce mean by using internet technologies, buying and selling of goods from business to supplier is called buy-side e-commerce. And by using internet technologies, buying and selling of goods and services from business to customer or consumer is called sell-side e-commerce. Is it fine? E-business. What is e-business? Commerce is a part of business. In business, other than buying and selling of goods and services, there are more other activities as well. Production is also involved in business rather than commerce. Marketing is involved in business rather than commerce. Employee management is involved in business rather than commerce. Making strategic decision, making long-term, short-term plan is involved in business rather than commerce. Mean commerce is a part of business. What is e-business? Performing business operation with the use of internet technology is called e-business. Performing business operation with the use of technology is called e-business. There are four types of e-business. B2B, B2C, C2B, C2C. B2B stands for business to business. B2C stands for business to consumer, customer. C2B, consumer to business. And C2C, consumer to consumer. Some types are available in traditional business as well, but some types, especially these two, are only the innovation of e-business. They are not available in traditional business. B2B mean a business buying product from other business like buy-side e-commerce. We being a business buying material or inventory from supplier. That is called B2B. And this B2B we can perform in much better way through e-business by using internet technologies. Because in traditional business, we are having facility of local supplier only. But in e-business, through internet technology, we can find the supplier all over the world, even with better quality and lower prices than current supplier. Mean we can perform B2B in much better way through e-business than traditional business. B2C, push model, business to consumer. Business have produced the goods, they have offered to the customer in the market and customer are buying that. In traditional business, we can manage B2C in our local area only. But through e-business, we can target customer all over the world through our website. C2B, this is the main innovation of e-business. Consumer to business mean consumer coming on your website, providing you details, this I want in the product. and you are preparing that product according to customer specification, and then you are delivering. You are selling computers. Customer will come on your website, will provide all the specification of the computer, what I want in this computer. You will manufacture that computer and will deliver to the customer. This is called push model. Why customer is providing information specification? Because might be that specification product is not available in the market. So if customer is providing his specification, you are preparing customized product, even you can charge a high price, you can increase your profit margin as well. This is pull model. And this is possible through e-business only, because in traditional, it's not that much easy. Because through internet, customer even can compare prices of different suppliers. In traditional, he cannot go to different businesses, move to different businesses, waste time, and then order customized product. C to C, consumer to consumer, buying and selling of goods from consumer to consumer without the use of business. Like a consumer have uploaded his extra product on a website like eBay, his used product or extra product, and other consumer is buying from him. Like in UAE, to Visa, you can upload your products over there and other consumer will buy from there. And this is possible through e-business only. Give me a minute, please. 25G2 E4. So there are four types of e-business: B2B, B2C, C2B, and C2C, and how we can perform these by using internet technologies we have discussed. Let's discuss one more topic called supply chain management. What is supply chain management? Managing the supply of goods and services. Managing the supply of goods and services from supplier to business and business to customer or consumer. Managing the supply of goods and services from supplier to business and business to customer or consumer is called supply chain management. And the business success is too much dependent upon its supply chain management. If you are not managing supply from supplier to business properly, mean not having good relation with the supplier, might be your supplier refuse to provide that product. And if they refuse, you will not be able to sell goods to the customer. Might be he will say, no, now you can buy on cash basis. I will not provide you credit. And you don't have cash to buy. It will affect your business. This means relationship with supplier, means managing supplies from supplier to business is very important. If supplier supplies you late, this can affect your customer, your production process as well, and your business will be failed. It's very important to manage supply chain. Even it's more important to manage your supply of goods and services from business to customer or consumer, especially if you are selling through any intermediary. If intermediary refuse to sell your accept your product, and most of the customer are buying from that intermediary, you are selling your products through Amazon. Now Amazon have banned you. Can you perform business? Why Amazon has banned you? You didn't manage the relationship with him. You didn't follow the rules by that intermediary. You need to manage it. If you don't manage it, your business will fail. Mean business success mainly depend upon its supply chain management, mean how effectively business managing supply of goods from supplier to business and business to customer or consumer. And we can manage supply chain by the use of internet technologies in much better way. How? We're gonna discuss. In how IT play important role in supply chain management. Because business success is dependent upon its supply chain management. There are two types of supply chain management. Upstream supply chain management, supply chain management SCM, and downstream supply chain management. Upstream supply chain management and downstream supply chain management. Upstream supply chain management is also called buy-side e-commerce. Mean from supplier to business. That is called upstream supply chain management. Downstream supply chain management is also called sell-side e-commerce. In managing supply of goods and services from business to customer or consumer. How we can manage upstream supply chain management by use of technology in better way, we can manage through e-procurement. Procurement, buying by use of internet technologies. And e-procurement involves e-sourcing, e-purchasing, and e-payment. These are the three processes involved in procurement. E-sourcing means finding suppliers. Through internet technologies, we can find a supplier all over the world who is providing much better quality at lower price than your existing supplier. Without internet, you cannot source any other good supplier who is providing high quality at lower price. Might be they can deliver you more quickly than your existing supplier. If you are having problem with existing supplier, you are not able to manage upstream supply chain management. E-purchasing, you can make a quick order through internet technologies to the supplier. Like by using phone, by using email, you can make quick order so that they can deliver you quickly. Without technology, you have to move towards supplier. If supplier is not available over there, or you miss the business timing, obviously you have to wait till next day to make order. But through internet technology, you can place order quickly, either through WhatsApp, either through phone, either through emails. Some countries having different timing, so you can place order at night as well. Some countries are having timing of your region, so you can make order in daytime as well. E-payment, through internet technologies, you can place payment quickly by just giving your card detail, by transferring from one bank to another bank online. And if you are making payment on time or quickly, your order will be processed that much quickly. Through manual, you cannot make payment quickly. You have to withdraw the money from the bank first, or you need to produce a demand draft, or you need to sign a check, then deliver to the supplier, then he will deposit into his bank account, or you need to take the money along with to deliver him. So there are so many processes. So buy side e-commerce. Sorry, upstream supply chain management mean managing the supply of goods and services from supplier to business, also called buy-side e-commerce. And we can manage through e-procurement, mean performing procurement process by using internet technologies. What are the processes? E-sourcing mean finding supplier all over the world who is providing much better quality than at lower price than existing. E-purchasing mean e-ordering, mean you can place quick order so that quick delivery should be made. And e-payment, you can make a quick payments through online by using card or direct transfer from bank to bank so that deliveries can be processed quickly. How we can manage a downstream supply chain management by using technology through disintermediation, through re-intermediation, through counter mediation. By using internet technologies, we can create intermediary easily and quickly. How? Just to fill up an online form and uploading our products on the website of intermediary, we can quickly create intermediary. Either we want to sell our products through Dubizzle, we want to sell our products through eBay, we want to sell our products through Amazon, Alibaba, we can quickly create intermediary. Either we want to create eBay, either we want to create Amazon, we can do it quick basis. In manual, you cannot create intermediary that quickly. You have to move towards the intermediary office. You have to discuss the situation with them. Then you need to deliver the products on their display center. Then intermediary will be created. Misintermediation, you can easily remove intermediation quickly by just removing your product from the website. In manual, usually you have to discuss first, then you need to move your products from their display center. They will might be charge you for that. Counter mediation means we can do both type of business direct to the consumer through our website and through intermediary as well. Like especially if we are moving towards a new area, our brand is not familiar in that area, we will move through intermediary first. If we are aware customer are having taste of our product, they are becoming familiar with our product, we can start our online business mean on website as well. And for some time, we will do both business through our website, through intermediary. And if we have realized that there is so much customer traffic coming on our website, we can eliminate intermediary. Now we are direct to the customer through our website. That is called counter mediation if we are selling through intermediary as well as through our own website. In manual, you cannot do like that. Like you are selling through any other intermediary and selling your direct shop as well, intermediary will not accept your products. He will say, okay, sell through your shop. I'm having other brand to sell. But through internet technologies, you can move towards disintermediation. You can move towards the free intermediation, mean creating new, or you can move towards counter mediation, means selling through intermediary as well as directly to the customer through your website. And through these concepts, we can manage downstream supply chain more easily, supply side more easily. And these are possible through internet technologies only. Supply chain management, two types, upstream, downstream. Upstream, how we can manage through e-procurement, e-sourcing, e-purchasing, e-payment. Downstream, through disintermediation, re-intermediation, counter mediation. Let's discuss a question. Perfect shopper. It's not very different. Okay. There are three parts of this question. Part A for 5 marks only. Only 5 marks. Describe the primary activities of the value chain of perfect shopper. What are the primary activities? Inbound logistic, operations, outbound logistic, marketing and sales, and services. What is part B? What is part C? We don't know. First, read the scenario, attempt part A, then we will see what is part B and C. We need to focus on the scenario first. What is the story in the scenario? So we need to describe 5 primary activities of perfect shopper. What is perfect shopper? Might be the name of the company. And from this question, you will get a very good business idea as well. Local neighborhood shops are finding it increasingly difficult to compete with supermarkets. Local neighborhood shops mean bakala, small shops, small grocery stores near to our house are finding difficult to compete with supermarkets. Why? And they are selling products at high price and supermarkets products are at lower prices. Why? Because supermarkets buy products in bulk. They are having more discounts from suppliers, and these small store neighborhood shops do not buy in bulk. Supplier do not provide them more discount. That's why they are selling at high price. So they are finding difficult to compete with supermarkets. I mean, customers are moving towards supermarkets. In emergency, customers want from them. Otherwise, for month complete grocery, customers are moving towards supermarkets. However, 3 years ago, the Perfect Shopper franchise group was launched that allowed these neighborhood shops to join the group and achieve cost saving on tinned and packaged goods, particularly groceries. And they are going to launch a franchise. Perfect Shopper purchases branded goods in bulk from established food suppliers and store them in large purpose-built warehouse, each designed to serve a local geographical region. And they will buy in bulk from brands and store in their warehouse. And from that warehouse, they will supply to small grocery stores. And through this, they can achieve economies of scale. So this is inbound logistics, mean purchasing branded good in bulk from suppliers and store in the warehouse. When Perfect Shopper was established, it decided that deliveries to these warehouses should be made by the food supplier or by haulage contract working on behalf of the supplier. And who will make delivery? The suppliers. Made by food supplier or by the contractor on behalf of them. Perfect Shopper places orders with these suppliers and the supplier arrange the delivery to the warehouse. Inbound logistics mean who deliver? Supplier themselves. These arrangements are still in place. And Perfect Shopper has no branded goods of its own. They are selling other brand goods under their franchise name, Perfect Shopper. Facilities are available in each warehouse to repackage goods into smaller units, more suitable for the requirements of the neighborhood shops, because from neighborhood shops, we buy products in small quantity, small packing. These small units typically containing 50 to 100 tins or packs are usually small trays sealed with strong transparent polythene. This is operation. Mean you are packing the products into smaller packing material of a 50 to 100 tins pack and sealing with the polythene. Perfect Shopper deliver these to its neighborhood shops using the specialist haulage contractor local to the regional warehouse, and through any delivery company, they are delivering to the franchises. This is called outbound logistics. In how outputs are handled, mean how you deliver products to others. Perfect Shopper has a negotiated significant discount with the suppliers, part of which it passes it to the franchises. A research survey in a national grocery magazine showed that franchises saved an average of 10% on the prices they would have paid if they have purchased the products directly from the manufacturer or from an intermediary such as cash and carry wholesaler. Mean perfect shopper is not passing a proper discount to the franchisees. If franchisees bought their product themselves from the supplier brands, they can even buy on lower prices than perfect shopper franchisor. Means they are keeping more discount, more profit with themselves and providing less profit to their franchisees, as well as offering a saving due to bulk buying. Perfect Shopper also provide as part of its franchise personalized promotional material. This usually covers specific promotions and is distributed locally either using a specialist leaflet distributor or loosely inserted into local free paper or magazine. Mean they are providing information about their products, their discount offers through leaflet. That is part of marketing and sales. Specialized signage for the shops to suggest the image of national chain. The signs include the Perfect Shopper slogan, the nation's local. In the board outside the shop, they are also providing Perfect Shopper, and the slogan is written over there, the nation's local. This is also called marketing and sales. Specialist in-store display unit for certain goods. Again, branded with the Perfect Shopper logo. In-store display unit for certain goods. This is also part of marketing and sales. Perfect Shopper does not provide all of the goods required by neighborhood shops. We have identified inbound logistic, operation, outbound logistic, marketing, and sales. And for services, you can include this, the in-store display unit. Might be there is a counter, and on counter they have placed a person who is providing information about the product. So through information, they are providing services to the customer. Like if customer want to ask for the information, they can ask. This could be part of services. So we have done part A. Inbound logistic, operation, outbound logistic, marketing, and services we have identified. Perfect Shopper does not provide all of the goods required by a neighborhood shop. Consequently, it is not an exclusive franchise. Franchisees agree to purchase specific products through Perfect Shopper, but other products such as vegetable, fruit, stationery, and newspaper they source from elsewhere. Mean franchisees still buying some products from other suppliers by themselves, like fruits, vegetable, stationery, newspaper. Deliveries are made every 2 weeks to franchisees using a standing order for products agreed between the franchisee and their Perfect Shopper sales representative at a meeting they hold every 3 months. They deliver products to the franchisees after 2 weeks. And if they deliver today, next delivery will be after 2 weeks. According to a meeting between our sales representative and franchisee that held every 3 months. And if you have agreed any delivery of products today, next 3 months you have to accept that delivery. And delivery will be made every 2 weeks. If you sold before 2 weeks, like the next day all products sold, next delivery will be after 2 weeks. If you want to change the quantity of delivery, that will be discussed after 3 months meeting. Variation to this order can be made by telephone, but only if the order is increased. Downward variations are not allowed. If you have ordered for certain goods and suddenly might be weather changes or those goods preference of customer changed, you have to accept the delivery for next 3 months. Either you are selling those goods or goods are still in your shop. You cannot negotiate downward variation. Why? Because based on your order, the franchisor have bought in bulk from the supplier. So the loss have to be bear by the franchisor. That's why they are not allowing you downward variation. Franchises cannot reduce their standing order requirement until the next meeting with their representative. Mean for next 3 months, they have to accept the delivery. Either it's their requirement or not. Mean they have to bear the obsolete inventory losses. In fact, Shopper was initially very successful, but its success has been questioned by a recent independent report that showed increased discontent among the franchisees. Discontent means dissatisfied. Mean their franchisees are not much satisfied. The following issues were documented. What are the issues? The need to continually review prices to compete with supermarkets. Still, supermarkets' prices are lower than there because they are not providing too much discounts to the franchises. Low brand recognition of Perfect Shopper. They are selling other brand products, and other brand products are available on supermarkets as well. They cannot retain the customer through your own brand product. If you are having your own brand product, obviously customer cannot buy from anywhere. So they might be forced to buy even on high price. Inflexible ordering and delivering system based around forecast and restricted ability to vary order mean you cannot make downward variation. There is no flexibility in ordering and you are sending deliveries after 2 weeks. As a result of this survey, Perfect Shopper has decided to review its business model. Part of this review is to re-examine the supply chain to see if there are opportunities for addressing some of its problems. They are reviewing its supply chain, how we can perform better. Part B for 10 very good marks. Explain how Perfect Shopper might restructure its upstream supply chain to address the problems identified in the scenario. And you have to make 5 points in which you need to explain how company can restructure its upstream supply chain in better way. What was upstream supply chain? E-procurement. What we can say? We can say through e-sourcing, mean by using internet technologies, they can find any supplier all over the world who might be providing better quality at lower prices than existing supplier. And through this, they can provide more discount to their franchisees to satisfy them. You know, because they are not satisfied with that. And if price is low, even they can offer lower prices and they can compete with supermarkets easily. What else? You're not having your own brand products. Is that other brands are producing, manufacturing their products by themselves? No. Some brands buying products from other and just packing in their brand name packing material and selling. So you can also find from where other brands are buying manufactured products and then packing in their brand name material and selling. You can also buy products from those supplier and pack in your own brand to retain the customer. Upstream supply chain management. What else? We are buying from different suppliers and who deliver to us? Supplier. If we arrange on delivery van, instead supplier deliver to us. If we take deliveries by using on van, supplier delivery cost will be saved. Through this, supplier might be willing to provide us more discount that we can provide to our franchisees to make them happy. Obviously, we need to invest some cost in delivery van trucks, but that we can also use for delivery to franchisees as well. Even we can provide more flexibility in deliveries rather than 2 weeks because we are delivering to franchisees by using a delivery company. But if we are having our own van, we can make deliveries even on daily basis. So we can arrange on delivery. And by arranging on delivery, obviously we can negotiate more discount with suppliers and those discount we can provide to franchises. And that VAT that we are arranging for on delivery, we can also use in delivery to the franchises and providing flexibility instead of 2 weeks on daily basis. What else? What else we can write about upstream supply chain management? E-sourcing on brand, arrange on delivery. What else? So, franchises are buying some products from elsewhere, fruits, vegetables, stationery, and newspaper. The other products, if we also buy in bulk, because franchises are buying in smaller quantity, we will buy for all franchises. So we will be buying in bulk, more discount. And through this, we can make our franchise whole exclusive. And even we can deliver them those products on lower prices to satisfy them more. What else regarding upstream supply chain management? What else? In ordering, they need some flexibility, especially regarding downward variation. How we can manage that? If we implement our system integration with the franchisees business system, so we will be aware about their regular sales, their regular inventory. Through this, we can take information about what things are over in their inventory, what things are becoming lesser in their inventory. And by reviewing those system integration detail, we can make flexible deliveries to them. And this will satisfy more franchises. And through this, we can even increase our franchises. You can write down 5 points. After writing down 2 points, you will be blank while sitting in the exam. So we are just learning how to make points, how to make points. If a 10 marks question, how to cover it. Part C of the question. For 10 marks again, explain how a perfect shopper might restructure its downstream supply chain to address the problem identified in the scenario. Now we need to talk about downstream supply chain. What business can do? How they can manage downstream supply chain mean managing supply of goods from business to customer or consumer. First, we are delivering through courier company. If we make delivery by using on van, might be through courier company we are delivering. Courier company cost is higher. That's why we are delivering after 2 weeks. If we have arranged on van, we can deliver more flexibility, like on a daily basis regarding the requirement of the franchisees to make them happy. There are some areas where our franchises are not operating, are not present there. If we move towards online business, like we create our own website, we can capture customer from those areas where our franchises are not present. And through this, we can increase our sale even much better way. What else? One system is called EPOS, stands for electronic point of sales. What is that? Nowadays, if we are going to any grocery store for buying anything, where we pay at a counter. And at that counter, there is a computer system where the item barcode are scanned. The barcode is of what product, what price is already into the system. There is a printer that is producing invoice bill. There is a cash machine where they put the cash. There is a card machine from where they can take payment in card. That complete system is called EPOS. Computer, scanner, a printer, a barcode scanner, and card reader, cash machine. That complete system is called EPOS. If we installed EPOS in every franchise, standardized EPOS, and we integrate that EPOS with our head office, this means through EPOS system integration, we are obtaining regular reports about the inventory, about the sale, about each franchise. And by having these regular reports, we will be able to identify which franchise requiring what kind of goods. Might be some stores selling more of one uh, type of product, other is selling less type of that product. So if there is less sale, mean they are having more inventory. If there is more sale in nearest franchise, they are having less inventory. So this even we can move inventory from one franchise to the franchise where there is demand more for that product and other store is having less demand for that product. So through this, even store franchises can arrange downward variations as well. They can avoid their obsolete inventory losses. Even by having this information, we can deliver on regular basis according to the different need of franchises. And through this, we can keep the franchises happy. What else? We should arrange our pricing department. Pricing department who should monitor the prices of other supermarkets on regular basis, and they should change the prices in our system so that we can compete with supermarkets. They are just available there. For what purpose? They need to observe prices of supermarkets and they need to change prices in our system, and our system is already integrated with franchisee system. So prices will automatically be changed for franchises as compared to supermarkets. And through this, we can least deal with the competition with supermarkets to retain the customers. What else? Downstream supply chain management. What else we can write regarding downstream supply chain management? Delivery flexibility, online business, EPOS, pricing department. What else? What we are doing after buying the products, we are packaging the products. And for packaging, storing inventory might be we have bought a building, land and building for storing the inventory. For packaging, we are also using some employees, we are using some packing material. If we outsource our packaging to any packing company, and those packing companies, obviously, our main function is not packaging. The companies who are specialized in packaging, they are having some specialized innovative machine for packagings. And those machines are much more efficient than we could use. And through this might be we can reduce our packaging cost. As well as we can outsource packaging as well as storing to any storage house. Might be we have bought land and building for storing and we have stuck our capital investment in land and building. If we outsource the storing as well as to the storage house, we can release our capital investment from the land and building. And with the release of that capital, we can even make a much bigger order to the supplier to get more discount. And if we can save through outsourcing of packaging, through outsourcing of storing, we can provide more discount to the franchisees to make them more satisfied. So these 5 points we can make for downstream supply chain. There are some other topics in IT that we will discuss in next lecture. And then we will discuss HR. Then we will discuss about the finance and we'll be able to complete our syllabus. So next class is on Friday. For tomorrow, I will share 3-4 videos that you have to complete before next class, either 2 tomorrow, 2 on Friday before class, or 3 tomorrow, or all 4 tomorrow. But you have to cover before next class because on next class, we will be covering case study 100 marks. We'll be having class on Friday. We'll be having class on coming Monday. We'll be having class on coming Wednesday. And then we'll be having class on coming Friday as well. Tomorrow, I will share 3-4 videos. In fact, I will share tonight so that you can cover before next class on Friday. So in next 4 classes, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we will cover 4 good case studies. One case study I will share through the recording afterwards in next week, so that we can cover at least 5 good case studies. Obviously, 5 case studies you will cover with me, 2, 3 you will cover by yourself. By having practice of 7, 8 case studies, you'll be able to attempt the paper. So see you in that class on Friday, but before Friday class, you have to cover some video.